Look at that. Smell the chicken. Smoky. Woohoo. Look at the smoky. Hi guys, welcome back. Happy 4th of July. So today's video guys, we are cooking chicken barbecue. Yes, ayan guys. So na-marinate ko na siya guys ng chicken, yung chicken natin. So it's been marinated for an hour maybe. Yes, so lagi ko siya na maraming susuling. So mamaya lulutuin natin yan guys. So dyan lang kayo. Thank you for watching. Happy 4th of July. Hi guys again. Nandito kami ngayon sa labas ng aming apartment. This is our porch. This is where we cook our barbecue. So my husband's already started the fire. Ayan. So, you know guys, a while ago, our streets is flooding. Lots of water. The pipe is broken. So, the people still, fixing the road. So, over there. There's so many water. It's a lot of water kanina guys. Talagang flood siya. I have a video to share with you guys. Kanina, talagang dami talagang water. Nag-flood talaga dito hanggang doon sa dumating hanggang dulo ng Hilton Hotel yung tubig kanina guys, super baha. So ito yung namin apartment. So we're cooking our small porch here, and ito yung mga halaman ko guys, ang aking mga vegetables. Ayan, may sili ako dito ha, sili pepper, maliit na siling labuyo. Ayan. Tapos may bell pepper. Ayan. It's growing. And this is our smoke. Ooh, I can smell. The pork. Oh, smoky. Papasok tayo sa loob. Okay guys. So, mamaya ulit guys. Magkita-kita tayo. There's a big pipes broken down the streets. That's why we're flooding a lot of water here. There's the police over there. Wow, it's crazy. So much water. Alright guys, so my husband is starting cooking the chicken na minarinate ko kanina. Yan. Sana masarap yung seasoning na nilagay ko dyan. Yan. It's gonna be masarap. You smell the seasoning? There's a lot of chicken. 2 pounds. Is it 2 pounds? There's a lot of chicken guys. So mamaya ulit guys. Magkita-kita tayo. Hi guys. So naggawa rin ako ng potato salad. Yan. Ayan ang potato salad natin guys. Tikman natin. Tikman natin kung masarap ang aking potato salad na ginawa ko kanina lang. Masarap. Sour dahil sa sa mustard. But it's good. Put a lot of mayonnaise in here. And 4 eggs, celery stalk, and radish pickles, salt and pepper, and onions. Yeah. So ito yung ginawa ko guys na potato salad. So ito yung dinner namin mamaya sa 4th of July. And the chicken na marinate ko kanina. Yan. My husband's already cooking. So, mamaya ulit guys. Kita-kita tayo. Look at that. Smell the chicken. Smoky. Look at the smoky. Okay, let's go check our chicken. Is it ready? A lot of smoke. Woo. Almost done. Ooh, look at that. Smells good. Almost done. Alright. Mamaya ulit. Alright guys, these are chickens. Almost ready. My husband's still cooking, so I'm gonna try a piece of the chicken. See, the seasoning is really good that I'm using for the chicken. Let's see. Tastes good. Tasty. Delicious, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back outside again. So I'm checking the chicken barbecue. It's done. So the fire's already off. So we're gonna leave it here for a while, and we're gonna have our dinner because I'm starving. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now. Alright, the chicken is done, guys. So we're ready to eat. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Delicious.